I'm Jennifer Knights, the manager of the Windsor International Aquatic and Training Center, Adventure Bay Family Water Park and Aquatic Services. And I'm here with our facilities supervisor, Dale Brusois, who's going to take us through what's involved in our annual maintenance shutdown here at Adventure Bay Family Water Park.
Absolutely. So every year we shut down and we thoroughly clean the park. We power wash every attraction, we clean it. We do any needed maintenance and repairs to get the park back up to a higher standard after heavy use all summer.
And I know that your team does things on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis, and we thought that it might be a great idea to show folks what's involved in the maintenance of a water slide, particularly my favorite slide, which is the Python. So can you take us over there and we'll go behind the scenes and you can let us know what's involved?
Absolutely.
All right, let's go.
So do you have to walk this every day?
We walk in and inspect it every day before it's open to the public. We're looking for cracks and chips, flaws in the structure, any abnormal movement, anything that would indicate there could be a structural problem. And that inspection is documented, and TSSA is the organization we're accountable to for that.
So Daryl, what are some of the things that are involved when it comes to specialized maintenance of the Python?
Specialized maintenance of the Python would involve any type of fiberglass repair, caulking of joints, ensuring all those seams are sealed, the proximity sensors, which are connected to the PLC, ensuring that they're functioning properly. These are the proximity sensors that actually sense the location of the raft while it's going down the slide. And that indicates to the PLC the location of the actual tube in the ride, and the timing sequence is then affected. This indicates the operational water level for the slide, and that water level has to be to this line prior to loading a patron. All the bolts that are checked annually for any kind of play or wear, those are the more detailed items that we do on a shutdown. We're in the basement where the Python pumps are located, and these two individual pumps are what actually are responsible for pumping water from the lazy river into the attraction, enabling the attraction to have water going down the slide for the ride itself. The maintenance involved on these pumps would be on the electrical side, any motor rebuilding, bearings, etc. And on the wet side of the pump, which would be a centrifugal impeller, seals go, we replace those periodically. That type of maintenance on the actual pumps that are responsible for the attraction itself. And these are strainers that are actually in line to the pump that filter out any kind of hair, debris, any items that we don't want entering the pump and damaging the pump. We pull these very frequently and clean them out and replace them.
Thanks, Daryl. That was an amazing behind-the-scenes tour of what's involved, and really appreciate you taking the time today.
Absolutely. Thanks. Glad to do it.
Wonderful. And for more information about our fall programming, please visit adventurebay.ca.